Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
Countertop pizza ovens.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. While ordinary, simply set the timer and it begins to bake. Then they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use them and automatically turns the heating elements off. With easy, the Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. It's quesadillas, cookies, and cinnamon rolls from Presto.
The Pizza Maker Plus from Betty Crocker is a fast, fun, and energy-efficient way to create homemade pizzas or flatbreads with your own fresh toppings in just minutes. You'll get 12-inch pizzas with a delicious and crispy crust every time. It's also great for making a variety of quick meals and creative snacks with minimal preparation, like nachos, quesadillas, and even giant cookies. With its non-stick surface, it will always save you time in the kitchen.
It begins at a young age and grows slice by slice. The simple, unconditional love of pizza. The perfect food that can never be perfected, but we try. Master the craft with the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. With advanced thermal engineering, it reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. The perfect temperature to cook epic, stone-baked pizzas in just 60 seconds. Enjoy authentic wood-fired cooking or the convenience of gas in one oven. The digital thermometer, airflow dampener, and internal sealing vents give you total flame and temperature control. Keep an eye on your creations with the hinged full glass oven door with view flame technology to keep the glass cleaner for longer. All of these innovations leave you to focus on what really matters: cooking great pizza.
Do you have a baking sheet that always sticks? Or when you put it in the oven, it warps like this? That old pan will never come clean.
Well, those days are over. Hi, Spike Mendelson here with my Gotham Steel baking sheet, the newest breakthrough in nonstick bakeware. Our Ti-Ceramic surface combines super strong titanium with super slick ceramic. So no more burnt-on messes. Royal cheese slides right off this pan. This pan is so strong I can jump on it. Wow. Even use metal utensils like this pizza cutter right in the pan. Everything slides right out. And look, not even a single scratch. Plus, it's large enough to fit 36 jumbo meatballs. Or bake chicken tenders and fries. Then give the pan a tip and watch them slip. Even this marble sheet cake. Just flip it out with ease for a delicious dessert with no mess to clean. Other pans warp and buckle under high heat. Not in my pan. With its industrial thickness and weight, you can broil steaks and veggies on even the highest heat. And watch this, pour hot sticky caramel and nuts in the pan. Let it cool and smash it with a hammer. Now that's a strong pan. And look, no sticking and no scratches. Mmm, delicious. Even these super sticky crispy rice treats pop right out of the pan. So yummy and so easy. And it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup's always a breeze.
When I first used the Gotham steel, I was of course a little skeptical, but
So no more burnt broiled cheese slides right off this pan. You can jump on it. Wow, right in the pan. And look, not even a single scratch. Plus, or baked chicken tenders and fries. Even this marbled cheese, a delicious dessert with no mess to clean. Other pan, not in my pan, to broil steaks and veggies on even the highest heat. Pour hot sticky caramel and nuts in the pan and smash it with a hammer. Now, and look, no sticking and no scratches. Even these super sticky crispy rice treats, and so yummy and so easy.
when I first used the Gotham steel, I was of course a little skeptical, but it changed the way I cook. I